Samsung has just revealed that it will introduce new Galaxy Book laptops at the MWC. That may be a surprise for users that were expecting something more mobile-oriented at the Mobile World Congress. However, laptops are also mobile devices, right? Apparently, the company is gearing up to introduce a new Galaxy Book Pro 2 360 laptops during the event. That may be just the peak of the iceberg, and other products are coming as well. However, today's leak highlights the 360 tablet. A set of leaked renders have emerged as a courtesy of the Giznex. Watch the video until the end, it is very important for us. Thank you to your viewers. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 2 360, obviously, is a successor for the Galaxy Book Pro 360 introduced in April of last year. The current product is coming to replace the former and carries the Mars 2 codename. As per the leaked renders brought by Giznex in partnership with OnLeaks, we have a fancy orange colorway this time around. Probably, that will be the hero color, and shows that Samsung is trying to expand into more colorful products, just like Apple did with its iMac and MacBook lineup recently. Apart from the fancy colorway, the product seems to be quite similar to its predecessor in terms of design. Despite the very similar design, the Galaxy Book Pro 2 360 internals will be different. The original came with a choice of 11th gen Intel Core i3, Intel Core i5, and Intel Core i6 processors. This time around, we may see Samsung betting on the 12th generation of Intel Core processors. Moreover, the company will keep a strong partnership with Microsoft, and the product will directly reflect this. For instance, we expect Windows 11 with all the suite of Office apps. Furthermore, the OS may come with Samsung's One UI Book 4 on top. It's basically the company's skin for Windows with light customizations for better cross-device multitasking. Samsung is one of the few Windows computer manufacturers that are pushing things forward. Going back to the design, these renders refer to the 15.6-inch Galaxy Book Pro 2 360 model. Samsung probably will be bringing a smaller 13.3-inch Galaxy Book Pro 2 360 model. The big model will offer 3 USB Type-C ports on the sides. There will also be a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro South Dakota card slot. As you can tell by the name, the display will be folded 360 degrees, so the laptop can also be used as a tablet. Just like the previous models, we expect the Galaxy Book Pro 2 360 to also bring support for the S Pen. According to the insider, the new Galaxy Book Pro colorway will be called Burgundy Red, and matches closely the old Mystic Bronze, except for the extra saturation. According to the report, the official reveal will happen on February 27th. If you have watched this video up to this point, I am very grateful to you. Subscribe to our channel. In the future there will be more videos about various rumors.